Hello to this month, one engine a month after summer break. So today we start looking at Construct 2. Again, like last month, I decided which engine to do with the dice roll. So Construct 2, I downloaded it on Steam. We can look at the store page, but it's also possible to download it just from the website. But I prefer to download it on Steam. And there's a free version. There's a personal and a business version. Let's just look at the differences. So yeah, own games for free as long as you want. Unreal events, 4 layers, 2 shaders, but not for commercial use, and only to HTML5. So personal includes iOS, Android and more, blah blah blah. Commercial use up to 50,000 US dollar. And yeah, business edition if you make more money. So I'm just using the free edition and see how far I can go there. But in case you're interested, it's like 100 euros. So I don't know, probably more or less the same in US dollars. So yeah, for the personal edition and 330 for the business edition. And yeah. So Construct 2 is a 2-day game engine. It uses JavaScript. If you want to use to script stuff, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can write code in JavaScript. But it's very visual focused. I'll just start it up. And I think I should mention that they seem to be developing Construct 3. You see it's currently in beta, but you can try it out in your browser. That's kind of cool, but I still decided to use Construct 2 because it's finished, and I don't know, I just discovered like right now when I prepared for the stream that Construct 3 is already kind of out there, but it's the beta version. So for now I'll stick to Construct 2. So is there anything else which is interesting? Yeah, I think we will get into all that kind of stuff. Yeah, you can also buy it here, of course. And let's have a first look. So that's Construct 2. No thanks, maybe next time. So, project examples. Maybe we should just to see the interface open one of the examples. Ghost Shooter or Space Blaster? I think I want to look at the Ghost Shooter. So that's probably the level. Enemies. And that's probably the play. Oh, what's that? Object name, player. Object name torch spotlight. Ah, of the player's torch probably. So we have game, we have the events tab. Interesting. Okay, that's just the start page where I was before. Here we have the projects, layouts, events, object types. Okay. Families, sounds, music, files, icons. So let's see. And layers. Interesting. Oh, I just double clicked and okay, that's interesting. So I can just insert a plug-in every input. Okay, a lot of stuff, effects. I want to debug. I think debug is not possible in the free version, is it? Oh no, it is. It seems that it is. Okay, and it opened it somewhere else. So yeah. How can I walk? Ah, now I can walk. Okay, I mean it's an example project and I think it's too loud, but okay. Oh, and here's all the debugging information. So, okay. So it launches in, let's make a normal. Yeah. Okay. So that's the example project, one of the two, and yeah, we see there's this game window, a lot of properties for object and everything. So that's the first look, here we have the game objects. I could insert more monsters. Yeah. That probably doesn't make much sense. Ah yeah, that's for rotating. So let's just remove the monsters I added and so let's just have a look at the other example project too, to just see like so game events. Let's close the tabs of the first game and the start page. Yeah, the home view, events, tabs. A lot of events. So let's just run it and look how this example project looks like. And again, he opened it on the wrong screen. Okay, so I have to... Oh my gosh, it's way too loud. Ah! Okay, so I control it with the mouse. Okay, it's way too loud. It's way too loud. I saw enough. I think I should be able to shoot the rockets, but I don't know which button it is. Here's a rocket button. No. Ah, maybe I should have just clicked that one. Well. So. I probably don't need to insert that kind of stuff. Play a rocket, explosions, lasers, all type of objects. So now I'm going to let's see how. Yeah, there's a manual. Let's see at the learning resources they have. Manual versus tutorials. That was actually what I was thinking when I saw the two buttons here. Like, okay, there's a manual and there's a tutorial. What's the difference? Why do they have both of it? But I think the manual is probably the documentation. Oh yeah, SDK. The manual is designed to be, yeah, comprehensive reference. Like if you want something in detail, and the tutorial is just Beginner's Guide to Construct 2 in a lot of languages. How to make a platformer, yeah. That's like the cliché first game that you do in any engine. Multiple screen sizes, 6 steps to play with player smiles. I think that's a nice tutorial, because it's not about just a tutorial that seems not to be about just how to use the engine, but about how to make good games. That's usually something that tutorials don't teach you too much. More like, oh, how do you do it, but not what's good things to do and what's bad things to do. Beginner's guide. Okay. How to make a Facebook game. Oh. Wow, there's 128 pages. Okay, so it seems they have a lot of different tutorials, which is good. Oh yeah, and here you have categories and everything. And you have the manual, blah, content store. I don't really need that, I just want to see what's there. Okay, here are the games. Blog forums, education. Forums are usually also a very important thing if you encounter problems. Well, so let's see. Tutorials, and there are probably video tutorials. And I should switch the account to the Steep Sheep account. Yay. It's really funny. So, construct 2 tutorials. So, what should I start doing? Platformer game. It's always a platformer game. I totally understand why, because they're simple. You can easily extend them, add features. So, jumper game, yeah. I don't know, maybe I should just try starting with the beginner's guide. Let's see what's in there. I've got so much stuff to installing. I'm already managed to do that. Oh yeah, but I could try opening a own project. New. Yeah, and there seems to be a lot of templates and examples. Ooh, maybe. Is this supposed to... I think this is supposed to be like a challenge. They just tell you what you should do. I think it won't do anything. Oh no, it does. So these are just more examples. So you could basically just see what they did. Home. No? But I will want to start a retro style platform neutral project with settings and objects suited to retro style games. I just want to try a new thing from nothing. So let's see. Repeating background, tiled background object. Yay. Save it somewhere. Double clicking and tiled background. Oh yeah, here we see we have new there are too many projects. How can I close them like this? Don't save. Don't save. Not rename. Don't save. Close project and don't save. So that's... yeah, we have a tiled background. I double clicked and I have no idea what to do. Oh, okay. I just want to delete it and do it again like they said in the tutorial. They said if I click it... ah yeah, now I can tell them where to place it. I could actually just draw. I should probably not just make it a... Let's choose something dark. I don't know. Dark blue and some fancy yellow inside. That's really not good. Yeah. Can I... size, yes. Let's make it bigger. I'm not an artist and it's easy to notice. Let's just make something very simple like a... yeah, that's perfectly fine. Do I have to click save probably? So let's make a new folder for construct 2. PNG recommended. Yeah, let's make a tiled background. Yeah. So such a beautiful background. Position. Oops. 0, 0. And size, I have no idea. Probably, yeah, the screen size. Is this the default size? Probably. 1280. Okay, well, whatever. For now, it should be okay. So maybe share and copy this tutorial. Ooh, already layers. Okay, yeah. So we will rename this to background and make a new layer. And we lock this layer, so now we cannot select objects in this layer, and we can work in the other layer. So if I'm right, I should be in the other layer now. I should really select, make this bigger so that it covers the white part. So now I will lock the background. Am I in the... I probably have to select that layer, yeah. Yeah, now interesting. Yeah, it seems to be simple enough. Layout 1, layout 1, layout. So if you want to have input, you can just insert input. I didn't make any plans about what I'm going to do this month. Hello, Milan Harris, Steph. So so what should I... yeah. It's still complicated for me to watch the the chat on Twitch while working. I really have to remember to check it more frequently. So I have no idea. Keyboard. I'll probably make something with edit keyboard. Yeah, let's insert some sprites. Wherever. Again, I think I don't even have to save the texture. Let's just... I don't know. Like some character with yeah, that's our character. Yeah, I don't even have to save the images. So it seems to save them somewhere by themselves. So yeah, but let's go back to the guide. Yeah, behaviors. Let's add a behavior. So we could make an... What do we want to do? So I will just start. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Let's make it a 8 direction behavior. And if I'm right, I can already play this. Yay! Not exactly. It doesn't look right because it's not the sprite is not the right one for this kind of behavior. So I should have probably made it a bit, maybe a bit a different sprite, but I didn't know what behavior. No, not instance variables. I'm going to remove the behavior and add another one. I will just make the platform one. And I will probably fall forever. Yeah. I don't want to fall. Poor guy falling to his death. So can I disable gravity 0? Yeah, no. I don't know how it decides which one to use. Yay, I can. Yeah, I have no gravity, but I cannot jump and not fall. Jump stain. Well, there's a lot of variables. Blah. Scroll to, yeah. So let's say, let's just do that. Let's just look which behaviors we have. Jump through, Shadowcaster, solid, no save, persist. Scroll to, so that the player's always the center of attention. Web. Oh, that's cool. Bullet car. Physics. Pathfinding. Pathfinding. What did they add? Ah, yeah, that's good. I should probably do that. Bound to layered, so we cannot walk outside of the out of the world. So just want to check what happens if I say custom movement. What can I set? A custom movement. Stepping mode. I'll probably maybe it's in so there's custom movement, but I don't really know what it does yet. Make your own movement using low-level movement functions. Can I add period name? I just have to check back for that later. For now I will delete it. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so now events. So let's just let's just look at it. I don't think I need documentation or the tutorial that much for now. I think it's okay to just so if I have system so we have a lot of stuff here. Key code stuff. Sprite. Is clockwise. Compare speed. Okay. Okay, so a lot of stuff. So let's try to I actually want to let's try if the key is down. Let's say if down arrow, or no, I prefer controlling with the WASD. Let's try S. So if S is down, we do something with our sprite. Set. Let's just try it. I have no idea what's the... Let's just try if it works. Just want to see what happens. Okay, right now it's not doing anything, so... Ah! I think that's not right. I don't want to rotate, I want to... I could try... pixels per second, I have no idea. Since max speed is 330, I don't know, maybe. Let's try 300. Okay, I start falling and I stop, probably because of the borders of the... because the level bounds are reached, but I want to... So we will do this the first time we press S, and on the other hand, when we release S, we will set the movement back to 0. And on the other hand, we will do the same for up movement. Which did I think I used 300. And Q released. Why? So let's see. Okay, I'm stupid. So oh my god. I said it wrong here. It's not here, it has to be minus 300, not back. Now it should work out. No? Yeah. Okay, but since like the horizontal movement works because of the platformer movement behavior. And they use the left and right keys, so I will just use down and up. Instead. Yeah. So, and if you probably notice that now if I move up and down, I don't have acceleration and deceleration. I will just start walking full speed and stopping full speed, but if I'm going left and right, I will like slowly start and then slowly stop. Yeah, because I just set it without any smoothing, and the platform behavior which manages the left and right movement it does accelerate and decelerate. If I want to, I could just set this to 0, then it's the same for left and right. No? Okay, no, I thought it would just be instant if I set it to 0, but actually it's just not working at all. So I would have to... That was the default value. I will just leave it there. So let's go back to the... Okay, every tick. This is like all the stuff we want to do every frame. Just quickly go over it if there's any important event, add action. Oh, edit animations. Score heads up displays. Yeah, I think it's kind of okay as a tutorial. Yeah, I think I'll already stop for tonight, and I try to, until Thursday, I try to look a bit more in the beginner's guide, and probably, yeah, and I'll just try use some of those tutorials just to I think I'm not going to make this, but just like the platformer tutorial, just so I get the hang of how everything works, and until Thursday I will think of what type of game I want to make this month. I could totally check out the One Game a Month website. And see what's the optional theme this month, and could try anthropomorphism. That's that's interesting. So maybe I'll try to use this as inspiration and make something related to that. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on Thursday, where I get started to making a game in Construct 2. Bye.